So we're finally doing this.
Yes, I'm so nervous.
We are both so nervous. We don't know why we're doing this. So what is the name of our show?
Aisha, what's the name of our show?
It's called.
It's called The Last Brain Cell,
Yes.
guys.
What is our
That's
talent,
it.
Mariam?
Yapping. जब मुझे पहली दफा किसी ने बोला था कि आंटी साइड पे हो जाए ना, that was I think for me a very dark moment in my life.
आंटी किसको बोला?
आंटी किसको बोला या आंटी किसको बोला? We're interesting people. Just stay tuned to all our one follower on the channel right now.
ये हम बीच में बहुत डीप हो रहे हैं.
हम बहुत ज्यादा डीप हो
It
रहे
was
हैं
supposed to
यार.
be fun. मेरे पैसे ऐसे गुजर निकलते हैं.
I have a retirement plan where I want to kind of retire on an island. And
This is her delulu.
it's not a delulu. You guys will know.
कि हम दोनों वैसे gossipy नहीं है.
Are you kidding me? Bye.
I did that again. Hi, Mariam.
Hi, Aisha.
So we're finally doing this.
Yes, I'm so nervous.
We are both so nervous. We don't know why we're doing this.
I think
But
we
we're
do
doing
know
it.
why we're doing this.
Yeah, this has been in the pipeline for a very long time.
Very, very long time. A whole 1 year, to be precise.
So I'm Aisha,
And I'm Mariam.
and should we tell them कि हमने शुरू क्यों किया? Like,
Yeah,
When
do
did
you
we-
want to tell? Because I don't know.
Yeah.
Why did we?
it started from some office rants. कि हम क्या
so
कर रहे हैं
just
जिंदगी
to
में?
introduce a little bit, Aisha and I are ex-colleagues, now turned into very good friends, I think.
Besties.
Besties, oh my God. But yeah, so basically I think it just started.
So, you know, like it started from office rants कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम क्यों कर रहे हैं.
We feel like we're talented and,
What?
and this talent should be out in the world.
What is our
That's
talent,
it.
Mariam?
Yapping. Yapping non-stop.
That's a lot of talent.
Yeah.
So anyway, so we're doing this, and we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we will.
I think we have
Like,
a lot
guys,
to
we
say.
really don't have anything in mind to say, and we're cutting each other. But it's okay. It's our first time, right?
Yeah, but I think कि हम बहुत interesting हैं, and हमारे पास बहुत interesting
Self-proclaimed.
ideas हैं, and you will also find us very interesting.
Yeah, we're interesting people. Just stay tuned to all our one follower on the channel right now.
To my mom also.
Okay. Okay, so
Okay, we should tell a little bit about ourselves.
yeah, I don't think we should. I just feel like
We
the
should be a
internet
mystery,
is
thoda
not
sa.
a very safe space.
That's true.
For women our age or younger or whatever, older women
Yeah,
in
I
general.
think हमें अपनी identities reveal करना चाहिए because
Yeah.
we're about to be famous and we don't want to reveal like too much about ourselves अभी.
Yeah.
So what is the name of our show?
Aisha, what's the name of our show?
It's called The La. I thought you were
Of
going to
course.
say it with
It's
me.
called The Last Brain Cell,
Yes.
guys.
And I think इस podcast को बनाने में सबसे ज़्यादा time इस part में लगा था deciding a name
Yeah.
because I went through at least like 150 names at least. And
I went through like 5. I did not put so much. See, I don't have so many brain cells.
I have a lot of
That's
brain
why
cells.
the name. But yeah, I think we.
So we picked this name because ये हम दोनों को बहुत अच्छा लगा था because जब हम आपस में बात कर रहे होते हैं तो it actually sounds like it's our last brain cell because
Yeah,
sometimes it can get
yeah.
really deep and sometimes it's like really superficial.
And
And I
sometimes
think
it's
that
just
really
really
encapsulates
like.
our...
It's just like no substance there, like in the conversation.
नहीं ऐसी बात भी नहीं है मरियम. Sometimes हम बहुत deep बातें करते हैं और बहुत substance वाली बात भी करते
Yeah,
हैं.
but a lot of times we just end up, even if
Yeah.
we start with like deep topics, we just end up in a space where our last brain cell is being used. Hence, I think the name is really.
Yeah, it really resonated
it-
to us
yeah.
and our conversation.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what it's called, The Last Brain Cell. And I think we'll see where we want to take this. I think we
Yeah.
have a lot to share with the
It's
world.
chill, guys. It's not that serious. So keep the expectations really low.
So should we do some questions?
Yeah, I think
Like
just
some
to get things
icebreakers.
rolling, we
Yeah.
decided that, we asked Chat GPT.
Jazz
Jazz-
GP.
And it suggested some icebreaker questions. They might be very not that new, and not that original, but it's okay. We're not that original anyway. We saw
No
like
one is.
1,000
No
women
one is.
podcasts and combined elements from all of it, and now we're here. So
No
let's
one
just
is
go on
original
that.
on the internet anyway, so.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Maryam, what's the most Pakistani auntie thing you've caught yourself saying?
The most Pakistani auntie thing, I think it has to be जब मुझे पहली दफ़ा किसी ने बोला था कि आंटी साइड पे हो जाए ना. That was, I think, for me a very dark moment in my life because I realized कि अब मेरा वो आ गया है. I think.
आंटी किसको बोला?
आंटी किसको बोला या आंटी किसको बोला. बट आई थिंक दैट वाज इट, एंड मैंने आगे से उसको यही बोला कि आंटी किसको बोला, तो बच्चा बस गंदी सी शक्ल बना के just
What's something that gives you the ick instantly in a desi context? That's a good question.
Okay, I have a lot of things coming up, but they're all around men. So why don't you go first in this
No,
one?
you go first.
Okay, I'll just say then about men. And men, this is not that serious. But I think for me, the ickiest thing, and I've only seen this in Desis, or maybe I might be wrong, but this is really specific. You know how men, certain kinds of men, उनके पूरे हाथ के नाखून जो है वो कटे हुए होते हैं और एक बस एंड का बड़ा हुआ होता है.
I
I
have
think that's a
never
very
seen that.
Desi thing, and I find that to be a little icky.
That's very specific.
I think that's because you know why वो बड़ा हुआ है वो नाखून.
Why? I don't know.
To clear the earwax. Yeah. Or to clear your nose.
Why do you know that?
Why else? Why else? बाकी क्यों बड़ा हुआ होगा नाखून किसी का? इसीलिए होगा ना ताकि कान साफ करे.
You've thought a lot about
Yeah,
this.
that's, I don't know, whenever I talk, maybe it's not like an ick, but I find it icky. What's yours?
I find wife jokes icky.
Wife jokes, yes. Guys, very icky. That's a good one. Why do you find them icky though?
Because I get over it. It's not funny.
Yeah.
Like वैसे तो आप मर रहे होते हो शादी करने के लिए
Yeah.
और जब शादी कर लेते हो तो it's like oh
But actually,
मेरी
it's not
life
the
ये होगी वो
person.
होगी. हालांकि I think for every man your life becomes like 10 times better once you have a wife.
Yeah. And I think men also get that, young men especially. I think the main culprits here are those bade uncles. Like there will always
No,
be
haven't
that.
you seen कि like हमारी उम्र के लोग भी there's always this boys group
Yeah.
जिन्होंने एक Instagram पे पोस्ट लगाई होती है man down की जब किसी उनके बॉय की शादी होती है.
Yeah.
As if the man was not dying to get married.
Yeah, but I think that's not that serious. It's just a
not,
thing
it's
that
not,
people
it's not
say.
that serious, but-
What I'm trying to say is कि it's usually like one uncle. आपकी family में वो होंगे uncle या फिर कोई भी randomly आप किसी जगह जाएंगे, and then if they get to know that you're getting married or you've recently gotten married, they would all be like हाँ अब तो तुम्हारी life जो है बेटा अब कर ले मजे, आगे जाके life जो है ना वो बड़ी आगे तो सिर्फ बीवी की चलनी है and all that, and it's not true. Why do you even say that? ऐसा होता तो नहीं है. I don't know why it's a thing.
अच्छा वैसे I have noticed कि now that I'm getting older, I also sometimes not end up saying this exactly, मगर इस टाइप की चीज़ें मैं भी बोल रही होती हूँ. Like I recently went to
Like what?
someone's house and उनका एक छोटा बेबी था and मैं उसको बस continuously ये कह रही थी कि मैं आपको साथ ले जाऊँ, मैं आपको साथ ले जाऊँ, and then I realized
Oh my
कि
God.
that's a very auntie thing and that's like a very old
Yeah,
people
but that was the previous question, Aisha. We've moved to
मेरा
the-
साबुन ज़रा
Moved.
slow है. Next question, Maryam.
Next question. Okay.
Who's more likely to cry in a meeting?
I think that has
Both
to
of
be
us.
you.
Both of us.
Yeah, but I think in my case, I won't cry in a meeting if I'm feeling down or if somebody has said anything to me. मैं ज़्यादा I think रोंगी क्योंकि मुझे गुस्सा, I'm a very reactive person in general, in personal life and professional life as well. So I think मेरा usually होता है कि मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ जाता है कभी-कभी कुछ चीज़ों पे अगर in meetings. What? We
I'm
work
just
together. Just by
remembering
the way, we
all
work
the
together
moments.
in a team, so she knows this. But yeah, I just get very. Probably I'll get too angry, और उसकी वजह से मुझे रोना आएगा. I won't cry because I'm sad.
How many times have you cried at work?
At work?
In front of people?
Okay, I have a very specific किस्सा. लेकिन वो ना ही बोलने तो अभी I think बेहतर है. I don't
चलो
want to
ऐसे
I think it
number
was
of
just
times
once.
बता
I
दो
think
in
it
your
was just.
career.
I think it was twice, and both the times it was in front of my boss.
Same
And they were
boss?
both, no, it wasn't the
Different boss.
same. They were actually different bosses, but they both also know each other. Both of them very, very nice
सोचो वो मिलके
men.
like notes compare करते होंगे.
That can happen, yeah. That can
I think
happen.
मैं भी दो
It's okay.
दफा
मैं भी
रोई हूँ.
बैठ के उनके साथ discuss करूँगी.
Hmm.
But yeah, I think you get emotional. You are kind of
But
emotional.
I've cried only in the beginning of my career. I think वो दो दफा मुझे याद है जब मैं रोई हूँ, और I think that was in front of the same man, and that was very early on in my career. Now I do
Why
get
did you
upset,
cry
but
though? What was it?
we'll get there in some other
Okay,
segment.
yeah, it's
Just
too
bosses
early.
being bosses.
Okay, I think one last question.
Cute.
Okay.
We can do more.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. What's something adulting made you realize is overrated? Having your together. Oh, I can't say shit.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Having your life together is extremely overrated. And trying to
Yeah.
get your life together all the time is also overrated.
Nobody ever has their lives together. Like never. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप कभी आई थिंक जब आप बचपन में होते हैं तो फिर भी आपको कभी कभी पैचेस में लगता है कि यार अब इतनी खुशी तो मुझे आज तक नहीं हुई लाइक इतना सॉर्टेड कभी भी नहीं हुआ लेकिन आई फील लाइक व्हेन यू आर एन अडल्ट आपकी लाइफ में एक बड़ी चीज़ फॉर एग्जांपल अगर चल रही है बुरी और वो ठीक हो जाती है उसके फौरन बाद ही कुछ नया आ जाता है आई फील लाइक देयर इज नो इन बिटवीन ऑल्सो कि कभी आप ऐसा फील करें कि यार पर्सनल लाइफ भी सॉर्टेड है प्रोफेशनल लाइफ भी सॉर्टेड है पैसे भी सॉर्टेड हैं हर चीज़ सॉर्टेड है ऐसा कभी आता ही नहीं है
Which is saying something because हम दोनों were like ambitious and
Yeah.
we're very like
Yeah.
go-getting type हम दोनों, and we're always trying to fix things.
Yeah, I agree. I have
And
one
yet
which is
and yet we feel that it's not worth it yet. Yeah, it's overrated. I wouldn't say it's not worth it, but
it is over.
at least I have realized पिछले एक साल में कि there's no point in trying to get everything to be perfect, and
Yeah, and I think it's a part of adulthood, and that's where you feel like you've made it when it comes to being an adult. Is that
you're
कि
okay
आप
with mess.
कि you're okay with it. कि अगर हर चीज़ सही भी नहीं है तो ये ज़िंदगी का पार्ट है एंड ऐसी ज़िंदगी गुजरनी है एंड देन आई थिंक मेरे लिए उस वक्त ना आई ऑलवेज लुक बैक एंड I think about my parents a lot of times when I'm in such situations. I'm just like यार मतलब I don't have kids, but उनके बच्चे भी थे उन्होंने काम भी संभालना है घर की चीज़ें भी संभाली और हमें कभी पता नहीं होता था कि इतना सब कुछ चल रहा है लाइफ में सो लाइक major appreciation moment for our parents who've dealt with so many things but yet have kept a
whatever.
Okay, I have one which is like okay, what was the question?
मुझे क्या पता तुम
What is one overrated thing about being? Yeah. I have one thing which I feel like it's underrated about being an adult.
okay
And
what?
that's discipline. Like I was never I'm still not a disciplined person, but I feel like everybody around me who's successful, who has like a nice sustainable life like that, they are very disciplined. And I feel like all of us can use a little bit of that.
That is true.
Yeah.
And I think in your 30s you figure out discipline as well, or at least
I haven't figured it
I
out
think you
yet.
figure out priorities, and then उसके हिसाब से you then allocate your resources, so you
Yeah.
automatically become थोड़ा सा disciplined, like you cut out a lot of noise.
That's true.
ये हम बीच में बहुत deep हो रहे हैं.
हम बहुत ज़्यादा deep हो
It
रहे
was
हैं
supposed
यार.
to be fun.
In the interest of, I think, the name of the podcast, which is The Last Brain Cell, हम अपनी कुछ last brain cell type वाली, I think, हरकतें बताते हैं.
Yeah. But you
So what
you
is
first.
one thing that you've done in the last 1 week जो कि तुम्हें लगता है कि बहुत ही
Dumb था.
dumb थी और last brain cell type vibes थी? One thing that you've done. in the
Nothing.
last-
I'm not dumb.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Just kidding. Honestly, मेरी इतनी मेमोरी भी नहीं है कि मैं पिछले एक हफ्ते से याद रखूं कि मैंने क्या किया था. I'm sure lots of things, lots of dumb
I'm sure there's a lot. Knowing her, I'm sure there's a lot. Okay, I'll go first.
Go.
I think for me, the last dumb thing, and this might not be that big of a deal, is that I went and I shopped a lot for summer clothes. I think that was very dumb.
सेल पे लिए थे.
Because because अब season end हो रहा है तो sale पे लिए थे. Because अब आने वाला है smog season in Lahore and we both live in Lahore. So I'm sure all the Lahoris can relate to it. Because smog season is upon us and it's gonna be winter soon. So I think that is one dumb thing that I've done in the last 1 week, and
But
that's something
winters,
that I do
but like winters
anyways.
हमारे बहुत late आते हैं, so it's fine.
Yeah, but it's like
You know,
okay, maybe
Maria,
I'm also not that dumb.
yeah,
Yeah, I've just realized that
you have
I'm
nothing
not
to
that
share because we're
dumb.
not
Yeah, because
dumb.
we're not dumb people, guys.
You know, I also shop a lot online
Yeah.
and for clothes, and मेरे पैसे ऐसे गुजर निकलते हैं
कैसे ऐसे ऐसे निकलते हैं
ऐसे निकलते हैं but when I open my cupboard I cannot find anything to wear.
Yeah, I think that's every girl. I think all chicks are dumb chicks.
No, that's not dumb. That's
Everyone, don't come at me, guys.
but
But
that's maybe a very privileged
okay,
thing to
I
say.
have one dumb thing that it's not last week, but maybe in the last 2-3 weeks, is that I watched a very hyped show on Netflix.
Oh, I know which one.
You know which one?
Is it
Do you want to
BB
say it?
BB of Bollywood?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
I
the
watched it
bads of
too.
Bollywood, as they're now calling it.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because apparently, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? But like, yeah, I think that was really dumb. I mean,
It was really dumb.
it kept me hooked, but I just did not get the hype of
So
the show
I
that
cannot.
much.
मैं वैसे नहीं देखती Indian content. Not कि मैं कोई वो कर रही हूँ कि मैं Indian content नहीं देखती. But I was really intrigued because there was so much news about it and सारे news outlets कह रहे थे कि oh it's a lot of fun blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So I gave it a shot and I could not get past the third episode I think. अब वो भी मैं देख रही थी कि ये क्या है. And it was so cringy. उन्होंने इतनी जबरदस्ती के बीच में वो internet moments and like meme moments डाले हुए
Yeah.
थे and like
I feel like it was just an overload of a lot of things. I mean, I
yeah.
love Bollywood. I have been raised as like a Bollywood watching
Junkie.
kid. Like a what?
Bollywood junkie.
Bollywood junkie, yeah. Because I had like 2 older siblings. Shut up. I had 2 older
Bunny.
siblings, and I used to basically copy everything that they used to do, and they were big Bollywood fanatics. So I've grown up watching it, and I love it. But I think in the recent past, just नहीं हो रहा Bollywood से. हो
क्यों?
नहीं पा रहा है उनसे.
क्यों?
जिस तरह इसमें भी I feel like कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ना culture appropriation, if that's what you call it, they try to I mean,
Politically
especially
correct ये कहना चाह रही हूँ.
politically correct नहीं. I feel like for example in this show
Hmm.
there was a lot of like बस घुसा दी थी चीजें
Hmm.
कि ये भी घुसा दो इस
I think
सेलिब्रिटी को भी
because
घुसा
they-
दो उसको भी सुला दो
What's on your
उसको भी-
mind, girl?
उसको भी घुसा दो and basically a dump of like you mentioned like a dump of online culture and too much of it I feel.
So I read an article, and this will
Yeah.
come up a lot by the way because
because she reads a
Yeah,
lot
I
guys
read a
she's a nerd
so I read ke ab the content that they're making,
Yeah.
it's all to get like viral moments and because हम
Dude,
reels
that
वगैरह देखते हैं ना
song.
so
Okay,
which
I
one?
take it back. I watched it actually because I saw Tamanna Bhatia's song and I love her. I think she's very, very hot. I watched the song and I was like, अच्छा अब मुझे देखना चाहिए ये show. पता नहीं. That made me, I think, come towards it. But that was a PR move. That song was not in the show.
Yeah, I was
They
wondering.
just used it
I
to
was
promote
wondering.
the show, and it was not there. And that was my.
They got you, Mariam.
They got me, and
you.
I think they got all of us because.
अच्छा मैं अपनी बात पूरी कर रही हूँ
Okay, fine.
कि I read कि basically अब जिस तरह उनके editing styles भी होते हैं ना they're made the editing styles are made to be very Instagrammable and
Yeah.
TikTok friendly also so
Yeah.
they use similar style animations जिस तरह
Yeah.
जो TikTok में होती है because they know कि अब सिर्फ हम reels like reels पे लोग चीजें देखना है
Yeah, and but
so
I
I think
that.
up all content is
Hmm.
made from that thought that's why they've made it like so
Yeah.
memey
Mimi.
yeah
Okay.
but
You
फिर हम
were.
थोड़ा सा हम digress कर गए so I would say that was my last brain cell thing.
Yeah.
It was
I
very
think for me
difficult to.
too.
It wasn't something dumb that I did.
We have a shared last brain cell because we have. Ow. because I think हम दोनों का एक ही है. हम दोनों का एक ही है.
कि हमने dumb content
Yeah.
देखा but that's not कि हमने कुछ dumb किया because हम dumb
I
नहीं
think a
हैं,
lot of
so-
people did it with us, guys. All of us were in the same boat.
Hmm.
We all fell for it. But
Yeah.
I actually
So what's the verdict? Is it dumb or not? It's not dumb. I'm giving my verdict.
that watching that show.
Hmm.
I feel like it's dumb because a lot of people fell for it. It wasn't, and just because I mean, love Shah Rukh Khan, but just because it was his son's show. I think a lot of people watched for that, which is
And
great.
no
But
way did that guy make it. His son. There's no way
yeah,
that you can direct something like this in
I
the
read
first try.
something on the internet that there was like a panel of directors
Oh,
who did it, and then obviously Aryan Khan was the
conspiracy.
front. Yeah, but it's okay when you're Shah Rukh Khan's son. You can just like pay people to shut up
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
take all
yeah.
the credit.
So verdict is you
Go
think
you, Aryan Khan. I believe in you. You're
yeah, as if वो
good,
देख रहा
good
होगा.
tactic.
वो
Yeah,
देखेगा Maryam और Aisha from
whatever, bro.
Lahore.
Okay, and what is the one hit thing that you've done
Oh,
last 1 week?
that's a good question.
Last 1 week, yeah, whatever.
One hit thing that I've done for myself
Yeah.
is that I have validated bed rotting for myself
I think you've done it
since a
long
very long
time
time.
ago. Yeah, it's not a new thing.
हाँ मतलब बस पड़े रहो और बस validate करो कि yeah, so what, it's okay to rot in bed. Not
Yeah.
everyone has that time in life, and if you have that time, rot away.
I have a retirement plan where I want to kind of retire on an island,
Hmm.
and
This is her Delulu.
it's not a Delulu. You guys will know. I'm a very ambitious person, and I will chase it till I get it. But
She wants to
whatever.
buy
That's
an
a story.
island.
That's a story for another time. But yeah, I want to retire on an island, but मुझे swimming नहीं आती. So I was thinking in the long term, like maybe I should know how to swim given that I'll be on a beach. And yeah, so I've started learning swimming, but I think मेरा जो swimming instructor है,
What's
उसको
his
मैं
name?
दाद देती हूँ. Irfan, you are
A
king.
star.
You're a star. Because I'm really scared of water. I'm scared of being underwater. So I'm happy जब मैं पानी के around होती हूँ. लेकिन जब मैं पानी के अंदर जाती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. तो पूरा वक्त यही होता है कि पूल में बच्चे भरे हुए होते हैं and they are showing me how to swim. And I'm that one auntie.
But it
I'm
takes
that auntie
no,
जो कि बस
Mariam.
पानी में घुसी नहीं
I
रही है.
think that is a hit because it's very brave of you to learn
Thank you,
swimming at
Aisha.
30.
Yeah.
इस उम्र में
ऐसे बोल रही है इस
80
उम्र
80 साल
में.
की
उस
No,
दिन मैं तो
you know what
by
I
the way,
mean के
मुझे इससे ख्याल आया इस उम्र से. So I was gymming like 2 months ago and 2 महीने से मैं जिम नहीं गई हूँ. तो मैंने अपने मैं वापस गई जब जिम तो my gym instructor, also a very great guy, you're a star. Okay, I'm not gonna name him though, but
Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, so he was like कि नहीं मैंने कहा यार मुझे लग रहा है मैं बहुत ही बुरे फॉर्म में हूँ और बहुत ज़्यादा ना एक अजीब सा सीन हो गया मुझसे उठेगा नहीं इतना सब कुछ ये वो. तो he was like नहीं आप तो बहुत अच्छी हैं, आपकी एज में तो लोगों के इतने मसले निकल आते हैं. फिर मैं सोचा मैंने कहा इसको पता भी है कि मैं कितने साल की हूँ, ये क्या समझता है कि मैं कितने साल की हूँ.
Where did you ask him?
No, because I can't
I think,
confront
yeah,
people.
And I think you don't want to know
I don't want
if
to
it's bad.
know.
But this reminds me of another last brain cell
Yeah.
moment that I had. And this memory haunts me so much.
What?
So I have this relative,
Hmm.
and it's a woman. And she looks very good for her age. Like she is, I think,
You go
probably
girl.
late 30s. And it's like she could be 23, 24. You can't tell. Like she looks incredible. And she's having a baby. So I wanted to say to her that you look so good for your age, but then I
But yeah,
realized
that's
that I
not
can't say
right.
that.
Yeah.
So I started off by saying something so strange like, "Oh, आपको देख के लगता नहीं है कि आपका एक इतना बड़ा बच्चा है और एक बच्चा होने वाला है." And
Is
she
that
was
what you said? Word to
I
word?
nahi, I think I was even worse.
That's a fail, yaar. That's a total
No,
fail.
Mariam, it was so
That's-
bad, and her face was like,
कहना
I'll
क्या
take
चाह
that
रही है
as a
तू?
compliment. And I was like, no, it is a compliment. And then I tried to explain it further, and it just made it worse.
Yeah, that just. I think whenever
So,
you try to explain something too much, it just makes it
yeah.
worse. Yeah.
And I had like the best intention, but वो बहुत fail था मेरा. You know what? This is a feminist space, so we're not going to.
Yeah,
say
we're not gonna judge anybody if you haven't
No, we
noticed
will.
already.
We will judge, but
हल्के हल्के हम
yeah,
हल्के
we
हल्के
love
करके
women,
आपको
so
अपने रंग दिखाएंगे. But okay, I have a question for you.
okay.
So, what is that one trait that you have, which is a red flag, but you try to justify it? कि नहीं, अगर है भी तो क्या हो गया, whatever.
Oh.
वो पीछे से कह रहे इतना टाइम ना ले जवाब देने में.
पता
चल
नहीं
बता
मरियम,
देना.
तुम बताओ, तुम शुरू करो, मैं सोचती हूँ इतने.
I think for me, since a very long time, I think since I was, in university or maybe in school also, a lot of people tell me कि तुम बहुत loud हो. And ये ऐसा भी होता था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूनिवर्सिटी आप सीपी लगा रहे होते हैं, आप किसी लेक्चर में कोई पॉइंट दे रहे होते हैं, मार्क्स होते हैं, तो यू ट्राई टू से अ लॉट एंड sometimes it's out of that, and I'm a chatty person in general and loud, so I feel that is one red flag.
For like
Other people.
perceived red flag.
Yeah, that's a perceived red flag, but I'm happy with it. I feel like it's a part of my personality, and यही है अब जो है वो यही है, so deal with it.
I
But it
don't think
can be a
that's
red flag. So, in the interest of carrying the conversation forward, because I think we've done a terrible job so far, but
True.
I'm an ambitious girl, so the stakes are really high. Anyways, so the question is कि आपके अंदर कौन सी एक ऐसी टॉक्सिक ट्रेट है जो कि बाकी लोगों के लिए रेड फ्लैग हो, लेकिन यू हैव मेड योर पीस विद इट कि भाई व्हाटएवर है तो है रेड फ्लैग, बट यही है.
I think जिंदगी के इस हिस्से में you just accept के अब
Yeah,
ये
you
फजूल
do,
बात
but
है
what
आपने
do you accept?
बता रही हूँ ना, ये मैं कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे रही हूँ. या आई थिंक के टॉक्सिक ट्रेट नहीं मैं कहूँगी, बट आई वुड से कि आई थिंक दैट आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ नो इट ऑल वाइब. एंड अगर मुझे कोई एडवाइस भी करता है तो मैं एक कान से सुनती हूँ और दूसरे से निकाल देती हूँ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई मेक माई डिसीजंस बहुत सोच समझ के. आई कम अक्रॉस एज pompous एंड एरोगेंट समटाइम्स,
I think
but it
that's
is
just
what
your
it is.
face, Aisha. You have
No,
it
it's
on your
also
face.
I don't say it. तो मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी लोगों के नहीं आप गलत हैं blah 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 blah, but
Yeah.
मैं सुनूंगी और मैं इधर सुन के इधर से निकाल देती हूँ, and I'm going to do what I'm going to do, and I'm very sure about things that I do. So sometimes it really frustrates like people who are close to me because they think कि मैं जिद्दी हो रही हूँ, but I'm like I'm not जिद्दी, I'm just
I'm just me.
confident. I'm just confident in what I'm doing.
Yeah, and that's great.
Yeah.
That's
so,
good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So self-acceptance.
Yeah. So
You?
I think for me, one red flag that other people, I think most of the people around me have, is that I'm loud. And I think अभी तक जो भी देख रहा है, all the two
Loudspeaker.
people who are watching this would also agree that I am a loudspeaker. But I think for the longest time मैंने शायद life में realize ही नहीं किया था कि मैं loudspeaker हूँ, until I was told, and especially I think at work in university.
And when were you told कि you're a
I think quite
loudspeaker?
recently also at work I've been told a couple of times that I'm loud.
No, when was the
but
first time you realized कि you're
I
loud?
think that was back in university because जब आप
That's quite
lecture में
later on.
yeah, it's very later on in life. I was in university and वो होता है ना कि आपने क्लास में सीपी मारनी होती है लेक्चर के अंदर, तो मैं वैसे पढ़ाई में तो कोई इतनी अच्छी थी नहीं अपने कोर्सेज में, so I used to like मैं सीपी से जरा अपना होता था कि इससे पॉइंट्स बना लूं जितने बन सकते हैं मैक्सिमम. So I used to speak a lot in classes and stuff, and a lot of people came to me like who became friends in those lectures के मरियम की आवाज यहाँ से start होती है, and then once she's into the thing, into the talk या whatever, it just goes up like
That is so true.
by quite a bit. Yeah. So yeah, but I think that's one red flag that people might have because a lot of people don't like loud people.
I think especially जब तुमसे कोई पहली दफा मिलता है ना, so that might come across as annoying to some people.
Yeah, but
then
exactly.
like once you get past that, so they know okay, what
Yeah.
a wonderful person you are.
Even if they don't, I think I'm okay with it. That's just, I think एक आध दफा जब मुझे किसी ने बोला था तो मैं काफी
Took it too hard.
I took it too hard upon myself, and then I tried actually. मैंने कोशिश की, मैं पूरे अपना full poised किस्म की, and I'm mysterious as hell. I'm not. That's not who I am. I'm a ढोल. ठीक है, I am a ढोल, and that's
That
who I
is-
am. So I think
Dhol is a very good word for
yeah,
you.
I am a ढोल, and I've made my peace with it. Because I think that's just not to brag and all, and I think it adds a lot of value in people's lives also. Even at work,
रौनक रहती है.
रौनक रहती है, and it just keeps the vibes up, and it's just who I am. If I try to be anything else, then I'm just not being true to myself.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've made like peace with that red flag that people might, perceive as a red flag. So yeah.
That's a good one. Not a red flag. We accept.
Yeah, we accept red flags here, guys. We love red flags.
Only
Green
ours.
flags are
Only ours.
boring.
Only ours. दूसरे
Yeah.
लोग के red flags नहीं.
No, I'm kind of like a red flag loving person.
Oh please, Mariam.
I think
We
I
talk about
am.
red flags all the time.
But I think
हम
I'm a
हम हर वक्त
toxic
हम
person
हर
at heart. Like, I love toxicity,
maybe you
guys.
should talk about that. I think that's your
Yeah,
toxic trait.
that I love toxicity.
Yes.
I do love toxicity. I feel like it keeps things alive in your life.
You like drama.
I like
That's your
drama.
toxic.
Yeah,
You
I
should
like.
have started with that.
Yeah, I like drama in life.
Hmm.
I enjoy it. I think कि जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है
Hmm.
and boring जिंदगी गुजारना is like not a vibe for
There's
me.
another toxic trait between us that we
What?
also share.
What?
कि हम दोनों वैसे gossipy नहीं है.
Are you kidding me?
हम नहीं है.
हम
Remember
बहुत
we used to.
gossip करते थे.
हाँ हम आपस में करते हैं ना. That's what I'm
Yeah.
going to say कि हम
Yeah.
वैसे gossipy नहीं है.
Yeah.
But पता नहीं क्यों हम जब आपस में बैठे होते हैं तो हमारी vibe थोड़ी gossipy होती है.
I think
और
we just,
ये भी हमारी आंटी वाला ट्रेट ये भी है कि हम गॉसिप गुसिप करके फिर हम कहते हैं कि
yeah, हमारा
we're not
basically
judging.
as a couple हमारी टॉक्सिक ट्रेट ये है कि हम अपने आप को बहुत कूल समझते हैं कि हम बहुत वोक हैं और हम बिल्कुल
हाँ,
जजमेंट नहीं पास
yeah,
करते
yeah.
बट आई थिंक वी आर वेरी जजी लाइक हम between the two of us
Yes,
we
but
judge
हम ये
people
किसी
a
और को
lot.
ना कहें. हम ये सिर्फ बातें आपस में कहें because we know कि हम एक
Yeah.
दूसरे के साथ
Yeah.
ऐसी judgmental बातें
And
कर
I'm
सकते
sure everybody who's
हैं.
watching
Yes,
can also
everyone
relate
does it.
to it.
Yeah, everyone does
Like
it.
it's either your partner or it's somebody from like your sister or a friend that you just आपको होता है कि ये this person won't judge me for being judgmental. So you just are yourself. But
You know, like
yeah.
sometimes क्या every time जब हम किसी gathering से like when I'm hanging out with some friends with my husband also and when we go back home I want to do like a recap with my husband के someone said
Yeah.
this and ये था और ये बात ऐसे नहीं वैसी होनी चाहिए and वो बिल्कुल भी साथ नहीं देता मेरा.
Dude,
He just
sometimes
listens. He doesn't add anything to it and I'm like I
that
want
is
to
so unfair because sometimes I feel कि actually जिस event पे आप जाते हैं वो उतना fun नहीं होता और उसके बाद जो debrief
post
session
analysis
होता
होता
है
है.
ना
Yeah.
love that. I love
So
that
does your
concept.
husband do it with you?
Yeah, I think he's getting good at it. He's getting better and better at it because he knows कि ये तो होना ही है. So I think he's given up into it कि ये gossip
Or
session
maybe
तो
he
होना
has started enjoying it also now.
है. He,
Loves
I
it.
mean, hot take was not a hot take actually. I think men enjoy gossip more
Yeah,
than women. They love it
100%,
because their lives are very
100%.
boring.
Yeah.
So they look to us for bringing that kind of gossip and drama in their lives.
Yes.
Don't lie, huh? It's true. It's true.
Totally.
Yeah.
We experienced that at work also. कि सारी जो घटिया बातें होती थी. I shouldn't say that.
I think
सारी
we
जो
should
gossipy
not.
बातें
I think we
होती
should
थी ना.
not go in that
हाँ,
territory.
चलो not so soon.
Yeah, not so soon.
थोड़ी
We
दोस्ती
will
हो जाएगी तो
eventually.
we
We'll give you
will.
the insights to our
Yeah.
lives. Okay. So I think
I think we
काफी
should.
लंबा नहीं
Yeah,
हो
I think
गया?
we should wrap it up now.
I think we should wrap it up. Like I think
I
people
think
are done
this-
at this
this-
point. They're just done.
Yeah, they're like shut up.
Shut them. Yeah.
कोई फजूल बात ही
Yeah,
करे जा रहे हो उस
yeah.
वक्त से. So I think we should wrap it up.
Mhm.
So this episode was just about putting ourselves out there, just to see कि हमारी vibes क्या बनती हैं.
Yeah.
And when we were brainstorming for this podcast idea, I think we both got a lot of advice from people कि ये करो वो करो. A lot of it was just fazul advice, like
And I think because people
not fazul, but like not. That's on us.
Yeah, and I think also because people have a certain expectation whenever you use the word podcast, because it's such a serious word, and usually the podcasts out there, I mean, not the ones that I watch. I watch really like
Nonsense.
nonsense podcasts, and I enjoy them a lot. But usually, लोगों का perception ये होता है कि it's gonna be a very serious thing. Like you're gonna have like a niche, and you're gonna have like a certain type of topics that you'll cover in every episode. But I think for us, it was just about being ourselves. I think that's where the thought started. And I'll tell you a little bit about how it started because so me and Aisha, we used to work together. And हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साइड पे ही बैठते थे.
But
And
फिर
we
हम
were
soul
just-
sisters बन गए.
Yeah, we became soul sisters, but there was like a whole process to it, I think. कि हमारी chemistry बहुत अच्छी थी in terms of like carrying conversations. I don't know how great we are doing right now. But I think वहाँ से पूरा start
मैं
हुआ
बस
था.
वही कर ये हमारा great chemistry है.
What a great chemistry, guys. Amazing. But yeah, I think I've actually failed to define what this
But
podcast
Mariam,
is to people.
So
I've completely failed because
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like, is it girl talk? Yeah, it is girl talk, but I don't want to call it like a girl pod.
no, I'll tell you guys
Because,
what this podcast
yeah.
is. So this podcast is about navigating our lives as adults and be honest about the ups and downs, the challenges, the thoughts that we have, the questions that come up, the good experiences, bad experiences. Like, we want to share all of
Yeah.
that with you while we're figuring it out.
Conversations regarding women and girls in Pakistan,
And
especially
their
because,
lives.
yeah, and their lives, because I feel like on Pakistani internet, there's not a lot of it, and I think there can be.
Yes, because I think जो usually content है around women, it's very के like problem based है काफी ज़्यादा के
Problem based plus,
abuse and
and even if there are like groups
which
and
is
stuff on Facebook,
hmm,
and there are a few groups, we all know which group we are talking about. Amazing space, great, but I feel like a lot of times when you put a face to something, like you know that ये दो actual में लड़कियां हैं हमारे सामने बैठी हुई हैं, and they go through all of this, and they have these thoughts, they have these feelings. So I think that creates a very nice safe space for women to just come and listen कि अच्छा हाँ मतलब this happens to everybody.
yeah, and but this isn't like just for women. This is just, you know,
Yeah,
two
we're
two
deciding,
Pakistani
guys,
people,
honestly.
yeah, just navigating their life. And
Yeah.
if you guys want to give suggestions on what else we can do, feel free to give them because
Yeah, guys, because I
we
think
need
at this
ideas.
point, ChatGPT is also sick of us. Whatever ChatGPT recommends, we're just like, okay, this is done to death. So we need some good, new, fresh ideas. So yeah, I
और
guess.
हमारा तो एक ही brain cell है between the two of us, so
Yeah,
you
and we
guys have
share
to give.
it. Yeah. एक ही brain cell और वो भी share हो रहा
So
है.
someone else needs to do the thinking. That's going to be you guys. So
Yeah.
like,
Okay.
subscribe, hit the bell icon.
Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever, guys. We are just starting off. We need a lot of support, and we are both corporate girlies. So this is
Don't tell them
something.
that.
Okay,
We'll bleep
guys.
it.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.